Going back to the pipeline, we can see that this treatment for ANKTIVA plus tislelizumab for lung cancer rescue 201A, small cell lung cancer, we can see right here that this is actually in phase 3 at the moment. We can see that this is the most advanced treatment in their development pipeline, and we can see the latest update right here. Non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, ImmunityBio has initiated enrollment in a global randomized phase 3 study. And so the phase 2 study showed that it could actually reverse the low white blood cell count in patients in the clinical trial. Among patients treated with ANKTIVA, 80%, so 69 out of 85, had their immune systems wake up and reach healthy levels of white blood cells. 60% of participants, so 25 out of 42 treated with ANKTIVA, reversed their lymphopenia during at least one on-treatment time point is also hugely significant. And so looking at the phase 3 trial with ANKTIVA plus tislelizumab for lung cancer, earliest FDA approval could realistically happen around late 2027 to 2028. And so the major catalyst for this stock will likely focus around strong financial results announced, as we've seen here, that validate the commercial success of the bladder cancer treatment that you can see right here, which has already been approved. There's also a closer term catalyst event which will be taking place around the trial initiation for this glioblastoma treatment, which I mentioned earlier in this video. And the final one, which is a pretty big one as well, is around this treatment right here, the bladder cancer quilt 3.032 BCG unresponsive NMIBC carcinoma in situ. We can see right here that ImmunityBio had applied to the National Comprehensive Cancer Network, the NCCN, to seek expansion of the BCG unresponsive non-muscular invasive bladder cancer. Effectively what's happening here is that they have this treatment which is already approved for one disease, which you can see right here, but they've had these meetings with the NCCN and they've had discussions to explore the possibility of opening up this treatment to a new patient population for a new disease. And what's significant about this is they have this treatment which is approved, but they're looking at the possibility of almost doubling the patient population for this treatment, but for a new and separate disease, which is papillary-only bladder cancer. The NCCN reviewed the submission at its August 2025 meeting, and the company is awaiting a decision. And so this meeting was 4 months ago, so like I was saying, considering the catalyst, this is something that could be announced. I'm not really sure too much about timelines, but this is one of the major catalysts which could see a major share price spike. And so naturally I'll keep you updated with ImmunityBio and the other stocks that I'm tracking on this channel. And in the meantime, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.